Hello guys and welcome to my Unity Engine game development tutorial series. Throughout this series I will show you how you can easily create a mobile game in Unity Engine and launch in Play Store. So some basic things that we will cover here are creating the project, importing assets, level design which includes sculpting the landscape and all, character and animation, mobile controls, creating the UI and implementation, using ads in your game, creating assets for the store, for the Play Store, which includes the promo images and all, building the game, and finally launching it in Play Store. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. Right. Assuming you have already downloaded the Unity Hub and the game engine, we're just gonna open the Unity Hub, go to New, and we're gonna set the location of our game. I'm gonna create a new folder here. Let's name it Hello World, and we're gonna set our project name to Hello World, and we're gonna select the 3D option and click create. So our project has been created. It's an empty scene. The project has nothing at all. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna import some assets from the asset stores. So to open the asset store, we're gonna go to Windows and click on Asset Store. Now the game that we're making is gonna be an open world free roam game. So first we need to import the standard assets. We're gonna search standard assets and click on this icon. Standard asset is free from Unity. Just gonna click import. I have already downloaded it, so it's just gonna import. I'm gonna select all and click import. It's imported now. Next, what we're gonna need is we're gonna be creating a nature environment. So we need some tree assets. Well, there are some tree assets in the standard asset, but those are too generic. Let's search. Let's narrow our search here. We're gonna click on environments and we're gonna select the free asset. A lot of free assets. Here's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use the nature starter kit. Click on it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna import. Import all. It's done. Let's close the asset store. Here you have it, the standard asset folder and the nature starter kit. Let's open the demo scene of the nature starter kit and let's see if all the materials are fine. Yeah, beautiful. So this is a demo scene. We're actually going to be creating our own landscape and importing our own 3D character, and yeah, so we're not going to use this scene actually. It's just a demo scene. And let's check out our standard asset if everything is fine. Let's go to environment and let's check out the speed trees. The standard asset has 3 types of trees. The board leaf. Just gonna click and import. drag and import. We're gonna be be fixing the lighting of this one, no problem. Just checking right now. The conifer is good, and the palm, of course. Okay, all the assets check out. So guys, that's all we're gonna be needing for the level design. Yeah, these assets will do. And let's check out what else standard asset has given us. Of course, there's the water shader that we're gonna be using. See, this is the standard asset water shader. It's looking beautiful. So a little walkthrough of the engine here. We have our hierarchy tab on the left, where all the objects of the scene are placed. We have our project panel in the bottom here, and we have our inspector panel on the right. When we select something, all the properties of that object is seen on the inspector tab. So the view, regarding the viewport navigation, we press Alt and left click to rotate. We scroll to zoom. We can also click Alt and drag the right mouse button for focus zoom. Okay. Now to focus on a selected object, we just select that object and press F. It's gonna be focused and centered automatically. So that's it guys for the first tutorial. I'll be seeing you on the next one, where we're going to be learning about how to create your own levels, sculpting the terrain and placing the trees and grass and everything. So basically we're going to be completing our level part of the tutorial on the next series. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like and comment. Thank you guys.